accommodation that we rented. Pero, look at that. Steven goes, arrives. What the heck? So around the top floor. Have a look on the first floor. So let's see. So I went down because that fourth floor really scares the heck out of me. And this is the elevator. Oh my gosh. So you know, like it's a different elevator. It's so scary. So yeah, so we're on the right building, and this is our room, 501. I'm not sure if I can consider it as a condo or it's an apartment, something like that. Oh, yeah. So, oh my gosh, it's so cute! Oh, nice. Wow, it's huge, Nagi! Oh, so this is the living room. So, it's a bit big there, let's see. Oh my gosh. So there's a dining area. I believe for sure this is going to be our working space. It's locked?
No.
No?
This one does lock.
Oh, the kitchen is so cute. Oh, here's the kitchen. Microwave. We also have this oven. Coffee. So we have what is this? So as you can see, they doesn't have any air conditioner because it's cold here in Lima. Let's see, let's investigate. I'm hearing something here. Oh no, it's just a window. There. Okay. So that's the only... Oh, they have a electric fan. Okay, so they have ceiling electric fans. Television here, dressing room. Oh, nice. I like it, Lovey.
Yeah?
Right? It's simple, but it's huge.
True.
What is this? Oh, it's locked. Oh my gosh. Whenever it's a 2-bedroom apartment, so whenever there's a room that it's locked, and I'm overthinking, getting paranoid, who's in there? It's locked. I think it's cool. What is this? Let's see. Uh-huh. That's cool. What are you doing? You can't open that. Maybe they locked it for... Yeah, I think that's a storage something. I like it. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. Wow. It's in here. I guess I like it here. Let's open this. Is this... Am I opening this one? I'm doing it wrong. Oh, there. Oh, there. So nice. So it's gonna go